Hey guys, it's Caitlin here at Mechanics of Music. Today I want to talk about calluses, what they are, why they're important, and how do you get them. So if you've started playing guitar, you've probably noticed your fingers are sore on your left hand, your fingers that are doing your chords, and that is completely normal. It's totally normal. What you have to do is you have to build up the calluses on the tips of your fingers. That's the tough layer of skin that's going to develop over time, that's going to make your fingers tough and strong. And people like construction workers, they already have calluses all over their hands. You might have some calluses on your feet. Depending on what you do for work and in your life, you're gonna have calluses in different places. So as a guitar player, you wanna develop calluses on the tips of your fingers. Here's the question: how do you get calluses? I think you guys already know the answer to this question. How do you get calluses? There's only one way: practice. You gotta spend time pushing your fingers on the strings. You have to push through the pain. It's gonna hurt. Trust me, everybody out there who has ever played guitar and learned guitar has felt exactly how you feel right now with painful fingers. The other question I get: how long does it take to get calluses? This is the answer. It takes a different amount of time for everybody. Everybody's body's different depending on what strings you have, what guitar you have, how much you practice, how hard you push. So anywhere from a couple weeks, you're gonna start feeling calluses, to maybe it takes a couple months till you really start to feel like, oh my God, my fingers don't hurt after half an hour of playing guitar. And that's what you want. Now here's the sad truth, you guys. The calluses are not like a build them up once and then you're good forever. My fingers still do get sore. If I play for like a 4-hour gig and I'm holding chords and I'm rocking out the whole day, my fingers are sore the next day. That's just normal. It's just like going to the gym. You're still gonna be sore after you work out. You're just gonna be not as sore as the first time you go to the gym and you work out like crazy and then you can't move for 2 days and you're like, why did I do that? I'm never going to the gym again. But the key is just rest. If you work your fingers hard, give them a little rest. Take a little break. And then don't forget to do some stretches and just get the blood flowing out to your fingers. Maybe put some hand cream on there to moisturize it. The other tip I have for you guys is don't mess with them. Don't clip them off with nail clippers. Don't file them off with a nail file. Just kind of let them be, let them grow. If there's something that's flaking off, then maybe snip it so you don't catch it on something. But in general, just let your body do its thing. Practice a whole bunch, then take a day, maybe take the afternoon, whatever. Just rest up and let your body develop those calluses. Does that answer the questions? I hope you guys just have fun with it. They're gonna happen. Write in the comments. Do you have calluses? Are you working on it? How long have you been playing for? I wanna know. It takes a different amount of time for everybody. I've been playing guitar for like over 20 years, and I can't believe I've been doing anything for more than 20 years. But I have, let's see, can you see my calluses on there? These are my calluses. I kind of have little finger indents on each finger, and they are nice and tough and strong, and they're not that sexy. But this hand is soft. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Have fun with it. Be patient. Enjoy the journey. Keep strumming. Keep smiling. We'll see you in the next video.